Let me introduce you to Sarah and John, Arizona retirees hoping to enjoy their golden years despite these times of financial uncertainty. Lately, they've been feeling the pinch of retirement. I mean, who wouldn't, right? Medical bills, home repairs, those things don't come cheap. One day, Sarah stumbled upon a video about reverse mortgages. She brought it up to John, and they decided to dive in and see what all the fuss was about. The more they learned about reverse mortgages, the more they felt they had found the solution they had been seeking. Income tax-free funds from their home equity with no required monthly mortgage payments. Who wouldn't want that? The next step was to decide how to make those golden years feel truly golden. Sarah and John had always dreamed of traveling, but they never had the funds to make it happen. With their new reverse mortgage, they're now able to take those dream vacations they'd been talking about for years. But they also had concerns closer to home that needed their attention. With the extra funds from their reverse mortgage, Sarah and John were able to finally remodel their outdated kitchen and bathrooms. And planning ahead, they added some age-in-place modifications that would allow them to stay comfortably in the home they loved. Nowadays, you'll find them relaxing on their porch, watching the world go by. They've still got worries, sure, but with the reverse mortgage, they've got a cushion to fall back on, a safety net amid life's uncertainties. If you'd be open to learning more, we'll be happy to send you Use Your Home to Stay at Home, the federally approved booklet for those considering a reverse mortgage. It's likely to answer many of your questions. Ever wondered how you can enjoy your golden years without breaking the bank? The new reverse mortgage can help reimagine a retirement that matches your hopes and dreams. And get this, the funds from reverse mortgages are income tax free, so you're getting more bang for your buck. Let's chat and discuss how we can make your home sweet home even sweeter. From financial worries to peace of mind, discover how you too can navigate the challenges of retirement with confidence and security with the new reverse mortgage. This is Greg Cook with Anchor Funding. Thanks for watching.